Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. How are you guys doing? Welcome. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on the and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Botswana. Today we are back. I'm reacting to 76 drums featuring Kaliniks. I think I've reacted to this artist separately, so I haven't been doing reactions, and my reaction brain is foggy right now. So yeah, it is what it is. How are you guys doing, man? It's been a minute. Let's get to it without wasting any time.
I'm in love with the big freak. I boom, 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 baby, I'm a baby.
Hey.
I wish you better feel that they want beauty. Your beauty is a part of your duty. Your beauty. I wish you better feel that they want beauty my way. Your beauty is a part of your duty. Your beauty.
I love the music. Yo, I love this video, man. I love the music. It has like those traditional elements to it. So yeah, what can I say? Hey.
Shake it, oversize. 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 Shake it, oversize.
I'm like, our ancestors are out there thinking, what have we done? Because it's so catchy, but it feels so wrong.
Wampanga ambulance nalimuna po beauty party na sanga pulasi gandando fo wapangwa ni topu kilasi futi kilasi kini bombo kilati walengane mukondo na lusa tension wankubulo mutimani we beauty station uliona ishipoyo name I can't mention eno kubefi waba data tekanye baby richa oyo baby richa yo benjo bona mona bata baba bona I know ndiri mukondo bati kuna fona baby richa oyo
Hey. Yo, this video, man. The big up to the videographers, the people who put this video together. This is beautiful. Yo, this is fire. Hey. Yo, Real Studios. Big up to Real Studios. These guys have cooked something fire right here. Anyway, we'll get to that soon. Okay, your maps Makazi. Okay, definitely gonna be reacting to that one. Go check it out. Thank you so much for everybody who's watched this video. And oh man, beautiful stuff. What can I say? Nothing I can say. I think I've said everything. It's just so joyous, very organic song. I love it. If you're here for the first time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. All right, so yeah, let's see. Here we go.